So all viruses must infect a host cell to have their life cycle be completed. And so there are some similarities among all viruses, but there is a lot of differences, especially when we talk about what type of cells a virus infects. So bacteriophages will infect and have a different life cycle than animal or plant viruses. That said, there are still kind of 5 generic steps to a viral life cycle. I prefer this acronym. Some people use some different ones. I like this one because I like this mnemonic device that it's like a Caesar salad, except you can't see it. That's really cheesy, and I apologize. I'm pretty cheesy myself. So here are the main steps. You have your attachment, entry, synthesis, self-assembly, and release. And this is shown here using a phage as an example, just kind of the major steps there for the classic life cycle. And so there are some discrepancies, especially when we talk about how they get in and out of the cell. A lot of what they do once they're inside the cell kind of depends on that genome type, but still, obviously there's a huge difference between a bacterial virus and a eukaryotic cell. So if you need, for instance, to be integrated into the genome, if you're talking about doing that with a bacterial cell, you don't have to penetrate the nucleus, whereas when you're talking about a eukaryotic cell, you of course would. So there's some differences in those life cycles, and we'll look at those more closely in the next couple of videos.